Hi, for my third technology, I'm using boomlearning.com. I think the standards that it would satisfy would be 1B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities, as well as 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. So I was told boomlearning.com is free and then you can do the upgrades. Right now they're saying that because of COVID-19 that everything is free, or at least sign up is free. You you make your class and also this is I don't think user friendly, but I wanted the manipulative, so that's why I'm here. So I just put Gizmo, my dog, in my class at this point. Um, so I'm going to go to library, and I had already loaded in one game. So now I'm going to go to store. I want free stuff. So those are all 0 points. I need things that will be um, not too young for my kids, because my kids are older, but they're reading on sometimes kindergarten, first, second, or third grade level. So it's kind of hard because some of this stuff is really cutesy. And I don't want to insult them, but I don't want to give them something that they can't do. So, how about practicing long U patterns with Gus? So, I'm going to add it to my library, and it says okay, and they updated my library. So now we'll play practicing long vowels. So we'll make it full size, and we'll hit. So this is good because you can record yourself reading to the students. So we won't do all of them. We'll get one wrong. All right, and then can I get it right? Oh, I can get it right. Okay, so now I can move the letters. And this is what I really wanted. Oh, I'm supposed to listen. I don't know. I don't see a G, do you? Grow. There's no G. So that's a problem. I don't know why that is. So I'm going to say give up. Surrender this card? Okay. And then let me see what she wants me to spell. So this is something I could use for my students. And I want to practice it and know how to use it because it really would be beneficial. So if any of you have young kids like this, maybe give it a try. Just be patient with the site because it really, I don't think it's that user friendly. Thanks.